everything on perfectly, which I'm happy about. So imagine this flight spent Christmas here last year.
Making our Christmas memories.
Good morning, beautiful people. Today is Vlogmas day 13 and I am actually on the road right now because I just dropped off my brother. I'm about to drive back home because there's things to do. There's a lot of work. I actually have to do a lot of editing, so that's gonna be fun today. Today is just going to be a really chill like edit day. I'm not sure what I'm doing later. I think I might just what's it called, I might edit some I think I might decorate the tree later, not sure, but I think I will, and then just do editing. I think that's it. I might even go Christmas shopping because we really do need some more decorations, but I'm not sure. It all depends on what time I get back home because I'm gonna go see my boyfriend for a little bit around like 9 o'clock and it's now 8:21. So I don't know, I just have to make sure I'm home a little. Ooh, there's a lot of lights. I just have to make sure that I am home you know, not too late so I can still go do some Christmas shopping. I'm really excited about going Christmas shopping because I feel like I kinda went like Christmas looking no, Christmas decor looking, so I didn't get to like really buy Christmas decorations when I was in Holland, but now I'll get to like buy stuff for the house to decorate and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, expect to see me like this the entire day because I don't think I'm going to glam up and look cute today, or maybe I might do like the minimal glam, aka just eyebrows, some bronzer, a little bit of blush. I think I might do that just so that I look like a person, but I don't know. I feel like I might do that. I wanted to also go take some pictures at the beach, but I feel like I should just work on the content that I have now that really needs to be edited so that, you know, I can start posting those things and just, you know, let that be basically, and then after really focus on new content because I already have a lot of like pictures that I took and stuff. So I feel like that might just be enough for now, you know, but I don't know. So they actually, oh, that car is like smoking. What's going on? Oh, that's kind of scary though. I feel like I should put on some music. I have a little carpool karaoke. So I also just noticed that my what's it called, the car mount that I have really isn't that great because it keeps moving and it's not just stuck in one place. So I need to figure out how I'm gonna get it to not move around every time I turn left or right. So I just made it home. I'm going to just do everything I said I was going to do. And we'll see how the day goes. Hopefully it'll still be a very fun vlog because I'm not really planning on doing too much exciting things, but you know, you never know. Plans on Aruba change all the time. I'm telling you, because like 1 second I would think that I'm having like the chillest day and I'm not doing anything, and then like 2 minutes later I have plans with a bunch of people and then everything changes and then we're having an exciting day. So you never know what happens. So I feel like I probably showed you guys this yesterday, but I just want to show you guys again what the Christmas tree looks like. We sprayed it with some snow yesterday. At first it just did not work at all. It was really stuck. It was probably really old because we didn't spend Christmas here last year. It only has snow on it right now. We have a bunch of lights. I bought some lights in Holland and those are not working at the moment for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it had me really upset because I paid like €5 for them And the ones that don't work, wait, let me just put you guys down. I don't know why I always try to like hold and talk if I can just put it somewhere. The 100 Christmas lights stopped working for some reason. I'm not even sure why. You know, I don't know why they stopped working. I'm gonna see if I can do something about it. I don't know. And then I also bought 150 lights, and these do work, but the 100 don't. I'm upset about because, I mean, it's 100 lights comparing to 50. Then I would rather want the 50 not to work and then the 100 to work, you know what I mean? But it's all good. We still have some lights that we like always used to use, so we're definitely using those. I was thinking about putting clear lights and blue lights in the Christmas tree because we are doing like a winter wonderland royal blues silver kind of theme. I don't know if I'm gonna like clear lights with blue lights. I mean, I'm probably going to like it, but I'm not sure. But yeah, that still needs to be figured out. I'm quickly going to wash dishes because it is time to wash dishes. And then I'm gonna leave. Like, I'm ready to leave, you see? I literally just put on some moisturizer because my face needed to be moisturized. And then that was it. I was talking about it, but didn't actually show it. So what it looks like right now. The snow is staying on perfectly, which I'm happy about. The snow that I put on my Christmas tree in Holland didn't stick like this, like it didn't actually stay. So I'm happy that this one did stay. We just have to get another bottle to start spraying. So I just came home from the boyfriend's house, and it's pretty late, but I still wanna just do like one little thing. I want to decorate the table at least because the Christmas tree is still not decorated, and I just want it to be decorated. So I just feel like I want to decorate the table now that I can. My nail actually broke earlier, and I'm not happy about it. Like every single time it's like one nail breaking. I feel like my thumb is also, or my thumb, the nail on my thumb is also going to break really soon. So we have to just figure this out for the for Christmas, because Noche Buena and Christmas Day I actually want my nails to look good. I don't want to sit down and have like one nail missing, you know what I mean? So I definitely have to do them again and see what I'm gonna do next. I want to do a nude color or a red color. So this, yeah. What's going on? So my dad actually put these up, I think it was this morning, because I was seeing how I don't have like lights and stuff in the house yet, and I want lights, so we have to start decorating. So it was like, you know what, let me just put these up for you real quick. Look, some lights. So he put up these lights for me. Cute, huh? So this is the vase that I want to use as a centerpiece. So I'm just gonna put it here for a little bit and then take the other things that I want to decorate with. And I have this piece of tree right here. I don't know how you call these. I know they have a name, but it's just not anywhere in my memory at the moment. I can't find it. It's searching, but I can't find it. So if you guys know what this is called, let me know in the comments down below, and then I know again what it is. But basically, I was thinking about either wrapping it around this or just have it like lay flat on the table, and then put like some Christmas balls on it, but I'm not sure. I also need to get snow tomorrow because you know, our theme is like very like snowy and stuff, so it needs snow. It needs snow, it needs snow.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas.
Okay, so this is what I have until now, and I don't think I like it whatsoever. I think it just looks so cheap and not cute. I mean, if I could just have, because I mean I already have a paper like table cover that has to go over the table. It is white, so imagine this white and then with this on it. This has snow sprayed on it, and then maybe like some Christmas balls like here. But I don't know. I don't feel like I'm feeling it enough. I honestly think it just looks really crowded because it's so big. Anyways, while I sit here and contemplate, I'm going to end the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Today was just a little all over the place, a little hectic, but still just a nice and relaxed kind of day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give this video a thumbs up, and click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Baby, this